After downloading the files from the website, extract them to the destination folder, and then you achieve to 2 files, and then you need to go to the Enscape tab, and in Enscape library you need to specify the destination folder and destination path in both in custom assets and offline assets library. You can see that we are doing the exact thing in here. And when you specify the project file for each asset and for that folder, you can change the scale of them very easily from here. And then we have different layers and different parts for each material that we used in model in assets, so you can change the scale of it, change the material of it very easily. And even if you have Enscape 3.2 or earlier versions, you can place them and scale them in Enscape environments too, so the usage of this software is really easy. Let's place it in the project and in this environment, and let's see a preview from this bed asset that we have in EC Assets website. You can see the amount of details are amazing, and they are much better in comparison with the imported assets and Enscape offline assets. I can say they are better because we have optimized their materials and their assets in our website, so you can enhance your rendering with these great assets.